Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wan Muhammad Mifzal bin Salahuddin. My metric number 34DT21F1041. We will present about this project. This application we will wait to activity, which is in the first activity. We will retrieve the input from user to enter their name. And the second, after user click the button, it will navigate to a second activity, which is in this activity, we will retrieve the lucky number after user click the button from the first activity. So we go to the coding to the design to layout for activity. I have used constraint. So I use constraint layout for create a more flexibility user interface. So I have user text view as the title for this application, and the user edit then the user edit text to retrieve the input from user, and the button to navigate user for the second activity also create the lucky number. Some goals which second activity I have declared text view as a title for the second page, and under it also have the text view to display the lucky number. And finally, there is a button which is will navigate user to another platform. Thank you.
Thank you to Mifzal for a good presentation. My name is Muhammad Najmi bin Nazri. My metric number is 34DDT21F1001. Now I will continue presentation. So I will present the functionality for this app. So let's look around for the first step. First step, we need to declare the name for each tool in the XML layout, which is edit, edit text view, and the button. And then after we declare, we need to retrieve the ID for each tool, which is name, text view, and which luck button. And then we need to set the button as a on-click listener, as a event listener in the button listener. We need to retrieve the user input by declaring the string variable and get the text value, and then I have add a validation code if the user forgot to enter a name, and after that we will use the intense features in the Android Studio that will help us to navigate to second activity. We will use intent put extra to share information, which is a name and the lucky number. After that, we will call the start activity and put the intent in the parameter. Thank you.
Thank you to the Najmi for the presentation. Now, I will continue the presentation. First, my name is Mama Ahmad Fitri bin Mama Asdi. My metric number is 34 DDT 21F1011. I will continue the presentation for the second activity, second page for my project. Okay, in the second activity, the concept will be same with the first activity, which is we must declaring the tools from XML layout and assign it by ID. In the previous activity, we have shared the information. So after we share the information, we must retrieve it by declaring a new variable string username and assign it to the get intent dot get string extra, and we must match the key username to retrieve the value. So in the share button, we add the event listener, and when user trigger it, it will execute the code intent, which is this code will navigate as to to the other platform with using the extra subject and extra tag. We call the start activity and put the intent object in the parameter. So let's go. We go to the output of the app. Firstly, you can enter your name, such as my name, and then click the button Wish Me Luck, and it will display my lucky number. So my lucky number can share to the Gmail, message, Google Drive, and Bluetooth. Let's say we share to the message. It will go to the message. So that's all from our group. Thank you.